everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my August 2020 favorites. As always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And my favorites this month are all over the place, from food to clothing to random objects and everything in between. So if you are curious as to what I've been loving this month, just keep on watching. And without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with apparel, I just have three things. The first thing is actually a pair of Crocs. Now, looking at these, you're probably wondering how are they Crocs, but they are. They're just not the classic clog Crocs everyone thinks of. These are the KD work flats, and let me tell you, I absolutely love them. They are literally a pair of black flats, and these are the best if you live somewhere where it can be raining in the morning and then sunny in the afternoon, or sunny in the morning and raining in the afternoon and stuff like that, because these are 100% waterproof. I wear these all the time, and you don't have to worry about them getting ruined if they get wet or anything like that. Another item is a pair of shorts, and these are just what they look like. They are just white shorts with little red lobsters all over them, and they are absolutely adorable, and they are the cutest thing ever. And for those of you who don't know, I live in Maine, and Maine is known for lobsters, and they're just super cute. And they are by the brand Fresh, and I'm not sure where they originally came from. They may have come from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Macy's. I don't know. If I can find them or find something similar, it will be linked down below. And I don't wear them as often as I would like to because they are in fact white. And last thing I want to do is ruin a beautiful pair of white shorts. And lastly, for clothing and apparel is a swimsuit. Now, I know it is the end of summer, however, a swimsuit can be worn year-round, especially if you're going on vacation and there is a pool and stuff like that. I had meant to include this in last month's favorites, but I forgot. This is just what the swimsuit looks like, and it is from LL Bean, and it is in the print Coral Reef Floral, and it is one of their sports swimsuits that has the deep V-cut in the back. There is also padding and a shelf in it, and it is a one piece. I was looking for a swimsuit for this year for the longest time because none of my swimsuits fit me anymore, and I really wanted to go with a one piece, and I saw this one and I absolutely loved it. If you guys know me, you know I love patterns and that I also love pink, purple, burgundy, and this combines all of it, and I just think it's super cute. And since it is from LL Bean, I know it's going to last me. For those of you who don't know, LL Bean is a Maine thing, but it has branched out into other parts of the United States. But the main store is here in Maine. No pun intended right there. And they have really high quality products that are 100% worth the money. I also have two beauty related favorites, and the first one is a body spray, and this is from Bath & Body Works, and it is just the Lavender Sea Salt Body Spray. This is a new scent for this summer, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I actually went to the semi-annual sale as soon as our mall opened up, and my mom and I were both really excited for the scent because we both really like lavender, and I just figured the added sea salt might be fun too. And let me tell you, it smells amazing. It basically smells like lavender mixed with like the beach and sunblock, and the packaging is also super duper cute. And another product is this oil, and this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil with vitamin E, and it is the Rose Hip fragrance, and I have been using this on all of my scars. If you guys don't know, I got my gallbladder out in November of 2019, and I have super duper sensitive skin and I scar really easily, and the scars from that surgery are still pretty dark and haven't faded. So I decided to go ahead and try using an oil, which was recommended to me, and see if that helps. And I have definitely seen a little bit of a difference. Obviously, it is going to take time, and I only just started using this probably 2 months ago. I also have three food related products. The first one is a cup, and this is one of the famous Starbucks color changing cups, and I actually only have one of them. I got it from a friend who actually works at Starbucks. I was lucky in that department. I've definitely been leaning a lot towards yellow lately for some reason. I just think it's a really fun, bright color, and I've never really been a yellow person, but lately I have been gearing towards yellow. And the cup itself is obviously yellow, and then when you put a cold drink in it, it turns like a corally orange, and the color is not from the drink that is inside. The color is literally because of the cold. As you guys can see, with warmth, it actually changes back to its regular color. As you can see, that's my handprint, and that's just from me holding it, and it's a great reusable cup and you can bring it everywhere with you, which is what I do. And another food related favorite has been this juice. It's actually dripping because it came from the fridge, but this is the Ocean Spray Cran Apple Juice, and I'm not a huge cranberry juice person because it's really tart and I'm not someone who likes that kind of stuff. However, the Cran Apple one is a game changer and I absolutely love it. For those of you who don't know, cranberry juice is known to be a really good thing for women's health, and it's really good for your urinary tract, and I have been trying to drink at least one of these a day, and the apple in it definitely helps take away the tart taste to it, and it goes down smoothly and I love it. My last food related favorite are these. These are the Werther's Original sugar-free assorted hard candies. I have been loving these. I actually have super bad dry mouth because of some of the medications I'm on, and it's really nice to have something to just suck on, whether it's a lollipop or a piece of gum or something like that. And I decided I should probably go with sugar-free since it's something I'm doing quite often since my mouth is often really dry. And I got this resealable bag at Walmart. One serving is 5 of these. I usually eat them one at a time over the span of a whole day. I probably maybe eat like 4 a day. And the flavors in here are caramel coffee, caramel chocolate, and regular caramel. And if you've never had these, you should try them. They're a game changer. They're super good. And my last 2 favorites for the month are both random. And the first one is a mask, and this is just from Vlog Mask. If you guys saw my quarantine essentials, you guys have already seen this. It is just a reusable mask that has a one-way valve on it, and it was a fiasco to get one of these, but I finally got one. If you want to hear the whole story behind it, go check out my quarantine essentials video, but this is just what it looks like on. It's super cute. It is yellow with bees. Again, I've been leaning towards yellow for some reason. And my last favorite for the month is a journal. This is the famous Burn After Writing journal. I see this everywhere from Facebook to Instagram to TikTok and everywhere in between, and I really wanted to get one. It is essentially just a really personal raw journal that you write in and you answer these different prompts, and like the title suggests, you're supposed to burn it after writing it. I doubt I will actually burn it after writing it. I'll probably just stick it somewhere and keep it so I can look back on it. Fun fact, all the pictures online make it look like the set of matches on it are actually real and come with the book. However, they do not. The picture is really realistic, or at least in my opinion is, and I literally thought this thing came with a book of matches to light it on fire when you were done. So those are just my favorites for the month of August. Like I said, all my favorites are everywhere. We are now getting to the point where summer is almost over, which means it is time for fall, which as we all know is my absolute favorite season. So get ready for a ton of fall related videos. If you have any fall related video suggestions, definitely leave them in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!